Hey guys, welcome to my other unboxing video. Today we're gonna unbox the Magnetic Blade 5000 mAh MagSafe power bank. That's what it says there. So this is a pretty nice box. You can see my reflection. It's a warning sign. And there's some speeds. I'll find this in the description. Alright. Here we go. The unboxing part. And of course, there's going to be a lot of... I think I got it. Sorry about this, guys. This is really difficult. Sorry about the background noise, guys. Comes with this plastic. Here's the barcode. And now, here comes everyone's favorite part. The MagSafe itself. So it looks like in the box we're gonna organize this. We are gonna. This is the USB-C, two USB-C cables. It's short, as always. And here is the power bank MagSafe itself. It comes with this nice packaging. But before we get into that, this is the installer, which I already have on my phone. So that's pretty cool. The instruction manual. To read through this about the movement. And now, here's the fun part. Ooh, move speed. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna test it right now, but this is what it looks like. There's the button right there, which you're gonna press. And it should. Oh, it comes with that lighting. So that's cool. Put it gently. I'm gonna get my thumbnail. Except for the microwave. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And guys, this is the old power bank. It's an engineer power bank. I have the link in this. I'll put a link in the description down below if you guys are interested. So we already got this. We already got this. See, it's kind of scratched right now because it's being used. But this is what it looks like. USB-A port, USB-C port. There's another USB-C port. right there. And here's a button. We're gonna power on right now. And it shows 61%. So this is a lot better. There it is. And I'm gonna edit this video. So, peace out, guys.